Hi, this is ToothPick with Breach. So our entire family is doing this challenge where we will try to see how many locks we can pick in under 30 minutes. And we have all these here. We got the high pointers and the little ones.
Alright, are you ready to start?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to get the timer. I'm going to count down from 5, and then you can start. You can have a tensioner and the lock, and you can have your pick in your hand that you want to use. And you go ahead and put your lock in your hand too that you want to start with. Okay, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. One down. 2 down.
So basically, if you can tell, this one is a 2-pointer. It just doesn't have the tag on it. So I got 4 points already. And I'm just trying to do like the quicker ones first because I want to get as much points as possible. And I'm not sure. Okay, got that one.
Other one down.
And this is one of the easiest, but normally I always get a little camera or people shy when picking. Don't know why. It's just like that sometimes. So with this one, I can normally get in about 2 seconds, but yeah, I think it's already starting on the shyness. I don't even think. Oh, I did have a few pins set, but the tensioner was a little off. Okay, just gonna go back to one of the other hooks. Seems as if I can't get into the back like I normally can.
Try something for me.
Mm-hmm.
Barely let off the tension until you hear just one click. Then go back in with the pick to about pin 3 or 4.
Okay, got it.
Oh, you did get it. All right.
Okay, and I might start off with also a Brinks. And I'm going to use one of our different ones. And this one, it is very easy to overset, so you kind of got to be a little careful when going in here and gentle. Yeah, see, I almost had that right there, but I'm pretty sure I had one overset too. Okay. See, this one, the handle keeps going up. It's kind of hard to get all the way in there without it stopping because of the handle. It's a barrier. Okay, you can hear it like clicking as if I'm setting it, but it is not setting. Okay. Okay, I might... Oh, sheesh. Oh, this feels oily. Okay. Yeah, I had one overset, so I had to restart. I might just let this one to the side for a bit. Think back on this one because I'm kind of in a rushy mood, and this one you gotta be kind of gentle with, so not the best combination. And I might start off with this one Which this one I have been able to slightly pick, but I think the hardest thing is keeping the tension. Because with this one, you have to be really, really delicate. And with being delicate, it is really easy for it to slide off. So, try and be gentle, but also not let it fall off. Okay, and then, yeah. Because I'm okay with picking it. The only problem I have is with keeping tension, if you couldn't tell.
So after every pin I hit, I use my right thumb and push down on the middle to make sure the tension's still on it.
There we go. I think I have decent tension. Goodness, no.
I'm going to go give you some privacy. I'll be back.
Okay. So, this one I'm trying not to use too much tension, because too much tension can make it where will bind up all the pins and I can't press them down. So, but I'm trying to have enough tension to where it doesn't fall off, you know. This one is kind of very tedious. It takes a lot of time, and you just keep going around in a circle. And this one right here, if you couldn't tell, I don't think you can see, but the one that's right where my hook is, this one is already set, so I'm not going to really have to touch it till the end, because that's like the first pin that can set. And going around, you can hear me picking one of the pins, but when I pick other pins, sometimes ones that are already set come up. I don't know if I can, because this camera it's not really detailed, so you can't really see exactly what's going on in here. But you can see all of the pins in a circular motion, and you can see all of them being picked. But see this one right here by the notch, this one is so hard and it doesn't go down. And see, I thought it was a problem because of having too much tension, but I've tried really light tension. That one just doesn't go down. And I've picked it halfway with it not having to go down. So I'm not going to worry too much about it, but I'm still going to occasionally poke at it. Okay. Like I said, this is very tedious, so the majority of the time that I'm given, I'll most likely be working on this one. Trying to make sure I have tension. I love how I said I'm not going to focus on that one because that one doesn't go down, and I still find myself just trying to pick it as if I don't know. Okay. And it might look like I'm just kind of just jabbing random spots, but don't worry, I am not. I am actually trying. I'm trying to get the camera to see what's going on in here, but like I said, it's not really a detailed camera, so you can't actually see what's going on. So for this time on camera, it's most likely just going to be you seeing me jab it randomly and not knowing what's going on. I can try and talk with you, but I am sort of a beginner, so I don't know exactly what I'm talking about, but I know slightly. This one keeps going up. It's mainly just this side I had to worry about, because this one where my hook is right here, and this one, the next pin. So when I set this one, then it unsets the one next to it. So it's kind of just it's so frustrating. But this one is very tedious, does take a lot of time. I was able to halfway set this in about 3 minutes last time. But like I said, there we go. That's halfway. See the notch right here? That's set halfway, so that's 15 points. Okay. And I'm going to just try and work on this one, but use very low tension because, like I said, I've set it before where it's halfway, but after that I have a little difficulty because I have a lot of neck pain because not the best posture. And also with the tensioner, like you can't see most likely, but with here you kind of gotta go this way and then rotate to get it set in, but doing that it can hover around other pins to where you don't have accessibility to it, so it's a little bit harder to pick sometimes. Okay, this does not feel like sturdy. I can try and you don't want to have too much tension, like I said. If you can tell, this is what I have the most difficulty with. And I still have these 4 to pick. And this one, none of us have been able to pick, so I'm probably just going to put that to the side, not even focus on that one, even though it's a 7-pointer. I don't even think we have the right tensioning tools for it because with the tensioner, there's not enough room for like any picking tools to be able to pick it. It has no room. So, and we do have like on here, we have this where we can have it on the top chamber tensioner, but it's still not thick enough to where it's very roomy, like too roomy at the top to where like this just slips out. So I'm not going to focus on that one. I still have a little bit of time, 12 minutes. Yeah, 12 minutes to do all this stuff. And this is a 15-pointer. I don't think anybody's picked it. Maybe they have. I know my younger, oldest stepbrother has picked this one, which kind of concerns me because I'm pretty sure he's also picked this one, which I have normally been able to pick, but like I don't know what's going on today. Well, this very second, because I was able to pick it just earlier. Wait, no, it was yesterday. Just a reminder. Okay, so this is halfway picked. So these are the ones I've picked over here. And this is one I've halfway picked already. And I'm going to focus on the brinks. I know I'm constantly back and forth with what I'm doing. But kind of just doing stuff like maybe like I'll lose my confidence with picking, so I'll like go with something I think is easier. I'm going to use a different pick because this one is just a shredded off version, so we can actually just jab pins. While a hook is obviously better for picking actual locks instead of jabbing. So, like I said, this is the one that's easier to overset, so kind of gotta be gentle. So go all the way down and then all the way up in the back. Okay. This one's super springy. Okay, I unset 2 pins. Okay, can't tell the first one. The first one's picked. Okay, and the second pin is the one that's easily overset. So I'm going to try and barely touch. Okay, I think that might already be overset. Okay, I'm trying to get all the way to the back. So start at the very bottom, jab into the back, all the way up. Okay, I can feel a bited pin. Lower my tension. Okay, it's going to be kind of frantic. Right here, lower tension. I don't think I set any by being frantic, so maybe it still had to be gentle. Trying something new. Barely touch the second one. That's the first one. If anything, I think that if I pick this one, I might have a tie. Okay, I can feel the chambers slightly moving. So I might be close. Okay, and I still have about 11 minutes, so that time might be devoted with this one, because pretty sure my other oldest stepbrother, like I'm obviously older than him, but the oldest of the stepbrothers, pretty sure he's picked all these, like this one including this one, but I've picked this and not this, because I've tried that, but I haven't tried it too much.
One word of advice. Second time you're picking the tubular lock, one of the pins is literally located right by, like right up next to the tensioner. So you gotta be really careful getting the pin and setting that pin so you don't knock your tensioner off.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Have fun, you're doing great.
Okay. I feel like it's picked, because either that or it's picked and it's overset. Crap, I left. Okay, this up. And this one's kind of bent a little bit to the side, mainly because of the lock that's inside this thing, which I most likely won't be able to get to because I'm just trying to make sure. Oh. Okay, I still have a bit of time. 12 minutes. I thought it was like counting up to 30. It's counting down, so I have 12 minutes, meaning I spent about 18. Okay. Okay. See, this one's worth 10 points, so, and I'm pretty sure one of my brothers have picked it, so I might not be the champion if I can't do this one. So, I'm just gonna maybe focus on this one if I don't lose hope. Okay. And then we need the flat one. I can't tell which one's the flat one. That's not the flat. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay. See if I can focus on it. because I picked it halfway. And it said that the second time is supposed to be the easiest, but to be honest, I believe it's the hardest and takes the longest. But, still gonna try. If I lose, oh well. Okay, I'm losing tension. Okay, I think I'm doing too much tension. And I did have a few pins set because I could hear them unclick when I lost tension, which that's unfortunate. But I'm sure I can get back to where I was in a short amount of time because I didn't really go that far. I'm just rambling at this point. Might just go frantic because obviously I'm bound to hit pin. I wouldn't say I'm running out of time, but I don't have all the time in the world to do this. I'll hold it like I'm stabbing it. Okay. Still having that same problem where when I pick one of the other ones that are picked go up. Don't know what that's supposed to mean. Hopefully this eventually gets picked. Just want that one to stay down. Because when Barrier came in here and told me about how the one that needs picked the most is the one that's right by the tensioner, that's what I've been focusing on, but that's the one that keeps coming up when I pick others. Difficult. If I pick this one first, then this one, but then this one comes up. Okay, it actually stayed down, but yeah, it's gonna go up because of those. Just trying so hard not to lose tension and lose hope. I'm bound to get it, maybe someday in the future, maybe not right now. Yeah, because every single time I pick this one, oh no, my hand's cramping. No, I'm going to lose tension. Okay, wait, no. I actually found a way. Okay. See, I kind of have like two broken fingers on this side, so it's kind of hard to place my fingers anywhere. Please don't lose tension. Please don't lose tension. I'm gonna lose. Okay. I know it is turning as well. Okay, there we go. No, I can feel my fingers being sweaty and slipping and losing tension. Ah! I only have, what is it? 6 minutes left. Wasting most of my time with this one. I might be defeated, but it's fine. This one's already... Yeah, because like whenever I set this pin that's by the tensioner, then when I pick any other pins, that one just goes straight up. Oh. It's hurting my fingers.
You almost got it.
Yeah, no.
You can get it. You got like 5.5 minutes. You still got enough time.
I know, but I keep losing tension. Just now. No!
See, that's why I use this, because I can push straight down on the pen.
Oh, I was looking for that.
It helps set the pens better.
Yeah, I'm kind of blind. Whenever I look for something, it's literally right there in front of me and I still can't find it. My back hurts.
Push down on the metal with your thumb to make sure your tension is in good.
Oh, that just reset a lot of pens. I think I lost like tension 3 times just when. I keep losing tension. I can't hold it because I'm so sweaty. My back hurts.
It happens.
Okay.
Too bad you couldn't tap out this tension just for 3 more minutes.
I know.
I think you can get it.
Try jabbing around. No, I'm already having problems with the tension. That's never a good sign. Right towards the beginning.
Yeah, you're setting the pens pretty fast, so I can hear them.
You know, my entire body is cramping.
Get it?
No.
Oh, I thought you got it.
No.
Oh, you got it.
Thumb's like.
Tack the brakes real quick. Give her one last shot. As soon as you hear the beeper, you gotta put down your tools. You're locking your tools.
I know. Got it. And right in time.
Oh, yay! Alright. With the camera, show each one individually
Okay.
and set it in front
So,
of you. That you picked.
okay. So, this one I picked halfway, which is 15 points. This I picked.
Look at your screen to make sure you see it.
Yeah. This 15, this 10, so 25. This is 3, so 28. And then this one, so 34. And then these are 4, so 38. I got 38 points.
You got how many?
38.
You sure?
Yep. I knew I was going to tie with Jordan. Ow.
Alright. Anyways, say, have a good night.
Alright, well, have a good night. And this is the end for Breach.